Part 4. This is a classic and reliable 1988 Corolla. Notice the front design, rectangular headlights, and the icon. Check out the smooth bonnet, the strong steel body, and the classic bumper. This model was famous for durability and long life. Look at the solid door build, simple handles, and strong paint. This model was made for daily use and long-term reliability.
And as you move to the rear, classic 80s design. Simple, boxy, but you know what? It works. Spacious trunk, simple rear bumper.
These classic lights really give it that vintage look and were designed for visibility and safety back in the 1988 models.
Toyota's journey began with a vision to create reliable vehicles for everyone. The Corolla quickly became a global symbol of that trust.
Okay, so here we are inside the 1988 Toyota Corolla. First off, the steering wheel, very simple, classic 3-spoke design. This classic steering design provides an easy grip, and the driving feel is remarkably smooth and comfortable.
Here you can see the RPM meter and speedometer. All warning lights are easy to read while driving.
What I like about these seats is the fabric. It's very simple, but it's very comfortable for long drives. And when it comes to leg space and comfort for passengers, you can see there's plenty of room back here. Families often use this car for daily travel. So now we're in first gear, and all you have to do is just gently ease it forward into second. From second, we're going into third.
Toyota engines are well known for their reliability. This one is no exception. Easy to maintain with a simple layout.
So you've got your alternator right here, then your radiator at the front, the batteries right there. Mechanics love this car.
Steel rims offer durability. Note the tire size here. This suspension ensures comfort, and see this tread for strong road grip.
This advanced suspension and robust shock absorbers allow it to effortlessly glide over even the most challenging terrain. One of the best things about these cars is the fuel efficiency. They're known for giving you really good mileage.
So you can see it's got a really big storage space, perfect for family luggage or just your daily errands.
This super white color really shines, the quality is exceptional, and it gives such a classic look.
This 1988 Toyota Corolla boasts a classic boxy shape, straight body lines. So you've got this great lighting performance, but you also have this really classic night driving look.
Even in this bumper-to-bumper traffic, this 1988 Corolla just glides. It's remarkably smooth and comfortable for a car of its age.
This 1988 Toyota Corolla is more than just a car. It's a statement of reliability and timeless design, still turning heads on today's roads. It's amazing how this car holds its value. Collectors still love the 1988 Toyota Corolla for its reliability and iconic design. It's reliable, classic, and still respected today for its engineering and durability. This Corolla is a true icon.